Before you invest your time or money into testerup, there are 12 important things you need to know. If you're considering it for managing your finances, or even as a competitor to other finance apps out there, this video will give you a clearer perspective before making your final decision. First, let's talk about user experience. Unlike other apps that overwhelm you with features right off the bat, testerup offers a clean and user-friendly interface. But while it's simple to use, some competitors do a better job of offering more customization options right out of the gate, giving you a better overall experience. Next thing, pricing. While testerup does offer a free version, the premium features come at a higher price point compared to competitors like Mint or YNAB, which offer similar functionalities at lower costs. So, if you're working with a tight budget, you'll want to weigh this before diving in. The third thing to note is its budgeting capabilities. testerup offers basic budgeting tools, but when you compare it to apps like Pocket Guard or Good Budget, you'll see those offer more in-depth features, such as automatic categorization of your expenses and more advanced analytics for tracking your spending. testerup is a bit more basic in this department. Now let's talk about syncing with bank accounts. testerup supports syncing with a variety of banks, but it can sometimes be a bit slow to update or fail to sync at all, especially if you're using smaller or less mainstream banks. This is a key issue that other apps tend to handle better with more reliable syncing. Next up, the reports and insights. testerup gives you simple reports, but they lack the depth and sophistication of apps like Mint or Personal Capital, which can provide you with detailed investment tracking and retirement planning insights. If you're looking for more in-depth financial planning, you might find testerup lacking in this area. The fifth thing, security. testerup does offer standard encryption and multi-factor authentication, but again, it's not as robust as some of its competitors like YNAB, which offers even more security options like biometric logins. Moving on to the user support. testerup offers decent customer support, but response times can be slow, and the knowledge base isn't as comprehensive as what you might find with apps like Mint, which have dedicated forums and extensive FAQs. If quick support is crucial for you, this might be a downside. The seventh thing you need to consider is integration with other financial tools. testerup doesn't integrate as seamlessly with third-party apps and tools as some competitors like QuickBooks or even Good Budget. So, if you use other tools for your business or personal finance, be prepared for some possible manual workarounds. Next, the mobile app. The testerup mobile app does work well for basic functions, but it can feel a bit limited compared to other finance apps. The design is nice, but it lacks some of the advanced mobile features other apps have, like advanced notifications or real-time budget updates. The ninth thing is automation. While testerup does have some automation options, they aren't as advanced as some other apps. Apps like Mint and YNAB offer automatic syncing with most financial institutions and automatic categorization of your spending, which makes things easier and more accurate in the long run. Next thing, customization. If you're someone who likes to make your app truly your own, testerup isn't the best choice. It offers basic customization options, but it's not as flexible as something like YNAB or Personal Capital, where you can tailor everything to suit your needs. The 11th thing to consider is the app's updates. testerup doesn't seem to roll out updates as frequently as competitors. If you're looking for constant improvement and new features, you might find other apps with a faster update cycle, giving you a more consistently evolving experience. Finally, the overall value. testerup is a decent app for basic finance management, but when compared to competitors like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital, it falls short in some key areas, especially if you're looking for advanced features or a truly seamless financial ecosystem. So, is testerup worth it? It's a solid option for those who just need the basics. But if you're looking for a more powerful tool that offers more features at a lower price, we recommend checking out a different solution that you can try for free.